Today's class is on multiple fruits. As you all know, there are mainly four types of fruits. A. Simple fruits. B. Aggregate fruits. C. Multiple fruits. And D. False fruits. In today's class, we'll go through a series of pictures, and from them, let us see if we can make out what multiple fruits are. First, the jackfruit pollination system. Flowers are attached to the smaller male fruit, and flowers are attached externally to the larger female fruit. So, we both know that the male and the female, these structures have flowers, which ultimately form the fruit structures, but they are on a larger structure. See, the individual structures are the fruits, and the larger structure are the flower fruit holding structures. Now, next one. This is mainly an inflorescence. So this one is a male jackfruit structure, and you can see that there are tiny flowers, very small male flowers. Stamens are present. Similarly, we can see the same in the female one. We can see the same in the female one. This structure is being explained here with tiny flowers here, and from female, and it similar turns into the female flowers over here. And after fertilization, the fruit structures are found here. Okay, next, and ultimately it turns into the jackfruit that we all know and love, right? But what is its specialty from this? The fruits are inside a covering, right? And it has tiny flowers. It has tiny flowers. It has tiny flowers. So it has tiny flowers, or more or less an inflorescence structure of flowers, and it has a common covering which covers the entire fruit. Okay, and it has more than one ovule inside it. There are more than one seed, right? These things that you know, and it ultimately forms the jackfruit structure. Now, this is the stages found in pineapple. The first one, the second one, third one, and as it follows, you can see that a small structure is growing from it, and this structure is ultimately forming into the pineapple that we can eat. So the flower starts from here, and it ultimately changes into the pineapple. All right. Now, these are the plants with inflorescent flowers. It has multiple seeds and a common covering. These are the plants with multiple flowers and inflorescence of structure, which turn into a single covered fruit and has multiple seeds. Now, let us go through a series of questions. First one. Among the following, which is a multiple fruit? A. Cashew apple. B. Jackfruit. C. Custard apple. And D. Pear. The answer is, tell me, jackfruit. It is simple, right? A. Cashew apple is a false fruit. B. Jackfruit is a multiple fruit, and that is the answer. C. A custard apple, which is an aggregate fruit, and pear is a false fruit. Now, another question. Multiple fruits can have a common covering. Is this true? Is this false? Is this half correct? Or is it none of these? The answer that it is true. Multiple fruits have a common covering over the ovules from an inflorescent flower system. So option A is true, and it is a correct answer. All the other answers are wrong. Now, the third question. Among the following, which type of fruit have inflorescence? Simple fruit, multiple fruit, false fruit, and aggregate fruit. Which is the answer? Obviously, the answer is inflorescence in multiple fruits. The inflorescence is only seen in multiple fruits, so option B, multiple fruit, is the correct answer. All other options are wrong. Okay, that's it for today's class. I hope you all understood the topic on multiple fruits. Thank you.